I hope someone doesn't take my cherry throat or my cough drop. Hey, I want your fucking cough drop, you fucking whore. Go suck some penis. Ligma balls. You don't have balls, dumbass. Oh. Elmo, you try to take it. Cheesy poofs. Emma's gonna take this cherry cough drop. Elmo, don't. This tastes like fucking dog shit. This tastes like fucking dog shit. But the person recording this video had a cough. He was cough mo all day. Oh, hot dog! What the fuck's happening? Oh my god, Cheetos are fucking taste like cow food! These nuts! Ugh, you go suck a dick, you inconsiderate whore fuckface. What do you say to me, you quiet bitch? Oops, shouldn't have said that. I gotta say to it now, bitch. Bitch. I'm Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Poop. Winnie the... Oh, it's Monday night and we're ready to strike. The special forces are in full flight. We're coming on air. Elmo, you're not rockin' Randall. Get that through your goddamn fucking plush head. Fuck off, you f***. Suck some penis. Suck some fucking man dick or try to get some bitches, Winnie. Winnie the Pooh needs to get some bitches. Don't you dare joke about Cough Mo. I'm grumpy. We don't need to hear your fucking bitching, you whore. Alright, you cunt bag. You can't say that. I'm a girl. Yoshi. I'm constipated. Rhyme Baby Mario. Yoshi, Baby Mario. You are grounded. Go watch Fanboy and Chum Chum and 12 Forever. Not gonna show that because they're copyrighted and they'll give you brain rot. Oh yeah, since we're in Harlem, someone's got a joke about... I put the new 4Gs on the Jeep. I drive it to the... Don't say another word. I'm Big Bird. You look awful small. Boom. Fuck you, Arthur. Go suck some penis. Come back with part 2.